And today we are going to learn how to convert SI unit to CGS system. Okay, here we have some of the important units. I'm going to teach you how to convert from SI unit to CGS system. Okay, one is a displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, energy, power, pressure, density, momentum. These are the unit we are going to convert from SI unit to CGS system. Okay, before we learn what is SI unit is a system of international which one is follow as a MKS, meter kilogram second. CGS system is follows centimeter gram second. Okay, if example we are taken as a displacement. Okay, SI unit it is followed in a meter, CGS system it is followed in a centimeter. Reason, the displacement we can take it in a meter because it's a MKS system. In CGS system we can take it in centimeter because we are taken as a CGS system. Okay, the same way I am going to teach you SI and CGS system for different unit and also conversion SI unit to CGS system. That is the thing we are going to learn. First thing, velocity. So velocity is equal to displacement by time. So displacement is the meter and time is the second, MKS system. So we can write as a meter second minus 1. The same unit I am going to convert in a CGS system. Okay, meter is going to be a centimeter, 100 centimeter, second will be the second only. Okay, so this one is follow is a SI system, this one is follow in a CGS system. The velocity in SI system, meter second inverse, in CGS system, centimeter second inverse. Okay, so what is the relation? 100 is the relation, meter second inverse is equal to 100 centimeter second inverse. Okay, now I am going to teach you what is the acceleration. First we will see the formula. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. So velocity is the displacement by time. So we can take it as a displacement by time divided by time. So we'll get displacement unit is a meter, time SI unit is a second by second. So we'll get as a meter by second square. So from denominator if you are taken as a second square, as a numerator meter second minus 2. This one is follows as a SI unit because meter kilogram second we are following. Okay, the same unit I am going to convert in a CGS system. Meter second inverse second minus 2 I am going to convert in a CGS system. 1 meter is 100 centimeter and second minus 2. The acceleration SI unit will be meter second minus 2, CGS system centimeter second minus 2. Okay, the relation 1 meter second minus 2 is equal to meter second minus 2 is equal to 100. 100 we can write as a 10 power 2 centimeter second minus 2. Okay, now the next thing is the force. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass unit is a kg, acceleration SI unit is a meter by second square. Okay, so which one is follow as a SI unit, or we can tell is the Newton. Okay, now the same unit I am going to convert in a CGS system, centimeter gram second. So kg meter by second square. This I am going to convert in a, it is a gram, kg is a gram, meter as a centimeter, second as a second only. Okay, so what I am doing is a kg to gram is a 1000 gram, meter to centimeter is a 100 centimeter. Okay, so we'll get this as a 10 power 5 gram centimeter by second square. Okay, it is kg meter second minus 2, we can take it as 1 Newton. The same thing, this everything we can take it as a 1 dyne. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. So we got what is force unit. Force unit in a SI system kg meter second minus 2. In CGS system gram centimeter by second square or second inverse. Anything you can take it. Okay. Now the next thing I am going to teach you what is the energy. Okay. What is a SI unit of energy? What is the relation between SI and CGS system? Okay. First we will take it as a energy. So energy is equal to force into displacement. Force unit we can take it as a Newton, displacement SI unit is a meter. Okay, so Newton we can take it as kg meter second minus 2 as earlier I said into meter. So we'll get kg meter square second minus 2. This we can take it as a joules. So 1 joule is equal to kg meter square second minus 2. Which one is follow as a SI system. The same unit I am going to write in a CGS system. Okay, so kg is a gram, meter is a centimeter, second is second only. Okay, so kg to gram it's 1000, meter to centimeter is 100. So meter square is there 100 square. So we'll get as a 10 power 7 gram centimeter square second minus 2. This totally we can take it as a ERG. So 10 power 7 ERG. 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 ERG. SI unit is a kg meter square second minus 2. CGS system gram centimeter square second minus 2. Okay. The next thing I am going to teach you what is a unit of the power. How in SI system and CGS system. Okay. Power is equal to energy by time. So energy unit we can take it as a joule, time unit we can take it as a second. So total power unit is a watt is equal to joule second inverse. Okay. Otherwise joule we can write Newton meter, force into displacement. Joules we can write Newton meter second minus 1. Okay. Totally Newton also we can convert is kg meter second minus 2, it's a Newton, and into meter second minus 1. The finally will get kg meter square second minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 will get as a minus 3. Now kg meter square second minus 3 is a SI unit. Same unit I am going to convert in a CGS system. It's a gram centimeter square second minus 3. So kg to gram is 1000, meter to centimeter is 100. Because of meter square it's 100 square. The same thing 10 power 7. Okay. So we'll get gram centimeter square second minus 3. Okay. Power unit in a SI unit kg meter square second minus 3. The same power unit in a CGS system, it is gram centimeter square second minus 3. Okay. Now the another thing, density, pressure and momentum. These are the unit. Finally we are going to see, first we will see the density. Density is equal to mass per unit volume. Mass unit is a kg, volume unit is a length into breadth into height, it is a meter cube. So kg by meter cube. So same thing unit, it is a SI unit. Density unit in a SI unit is a kg by meter cube. In CGS system, gram by centimeter cube. Okay. So 1000 kg, it's 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 meter is 100 centimeter, it's square. So we'll get 1000 divided by, it is 6 zeros will get, 3 zeros will get cancelled with the numerator. 1 divided by 1000 we can write as 10 power minus 3. Because 1 divided by 10 power plus 3 is there, from denominator if you are taken, that will become as a minus 3 gram by centimeter cube, kg divided by meter cube. Okay. The density unit in a SI unit, it is kg by meter cube. The same thing in a CGS system, gram by centimeter cube. Okay. The relation between these two is a 10 power minus 3. Okay. Now I am going to do the pressure. Pressure formula, force per unit area. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. 1 minute. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. So force unit we can take it as a Newton, area unit is a meter square. Okay. So instead of writing Newton you can write as a kg meter second minus 2 divided by meter square. So meter get cancelled, so we'll get kg meter inverse second minus 2. Meter plus 1, if you are taken as numerator it's become as a minus 1. So kg meter minus 1 second minus 2. It is in a CGS system, that MKS system, which one is follow as a SI. Okay. The same thing I am going to convert in a CGS system. So kg is a gram, meter is a centimeter inverse second minus 2. The same thing we are converting, what will get, kg to gram will get as a 1000. Meter to centimeter, it is will get 100. Okay. So meter inverse is there, because of that I am dividing as a denominator. Okay. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So 10 gram centimeter inverse second minus 2. Okay. So pressure unit we converted as a CGS MKS system to CGS system. It is a SI unit. So gram meter inverse second minus 2, kilogram meter inverse second minus 2. The same thing in a CGS system, gram centimeter inverse second minus 2. Okay. Now we are going to learn what is the momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Mass unit is a kg, velocity unit is a meter by second. So we same unit we can write kg meter second minus 1. Okay. Now we are going to convert kg meter second minus 1. We are going to convert this gram centimeter second minus 1. It is MKS system. It is CGS system. Okay. So now kg to gram 1000, meter to centimeter it's 100. So 10 power 5 gram centimeter second minus 1. Okay. So a second video remaining units we can see. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.